Hey friends, if you wish to turn off content adaptive brightness control on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the the procedure. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select display, and then click on brightness, and there's an option which says change brightness based on content. Now this is selected at on battery only by default, and you can turn it off. Now I'll tell you why we turn it off. So content adaptive brightness simply means that depending upon the content, the brightness of your system will be adjusted. If you use an application which needs more brightness, then it will be adjusted accordingly. So this is a default setting, at least for the on battery mode, which is weird because you would need it more for the powered in board. But anyway, I usually keep it turned off because if I had to change the brightness, I would have done it manually. But it's up to you. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.